Hello everyone, assalamualaikum. Welcome back again to KNK Online Income Tips. Please subscribe if you're new here and hit the bell icon for new video every day. Viewers, today I will share with you a new NFT project. This project name is ARKVERSE. ARKVERSE project is made by animals lover and make for animals lover. Most important thing, this is the blockchain based metaverse ecosystem. So you can imagine this is very good project for us. If you love animals, I think you need to enter this project. So at first, Karima also love animals.
I love animals PS.
They also launch their token. You can see here some NFT model 2012. Oh, good tiger.
One animal is.
And ARKVERSE will launching a series of ARK NFT. Prior of the launch of our metaverse, each NFT series will have unique tokenomics, okay, that will be tied to our idea on metaverse. On 1st February 2020, ARKVERSE will be launching the first ARKVERSE NFT series of 2000. Okay, they will launch 2020 total NFTs, and this NFT will be 3D NFT. So we wish this NFT will be very good, and their roadmap is here. Step 1, ARK token pre-sale. Step 2, release on ARKVERSE game paper. Launch the ARKVERSE 3D Metaverse Gallery and ARKVERSE NFT minting of first 2D NFT series. Okay, first NFT will come at 2D and then come at 3D NFT. 3D NFT will 10,000 NFT and 2D NFT will be 2020 NFT. Okay, and their social media. Okay, at first I can answer your some little question here. When and where can I mint metaverse ARKVERSE NFT? NFT, you can mint the NFT 8th February, and this is will be Solana blockchain. How many NFTs? So I already answered this question. And what the minting price? Minting price, it will be 1.5 Sol, but if you are a whitelist member, for you price will be 1.2 Sol. That's means Solana. Will those to be whitelist? So if you want to be whitelist, you need to go this link. I will give this link on my video description. And now we will go their social media. Here their Twitter link, and already 6,600 followers here. They have also Discord. I will give all social media link on my video description. Please follow all link and join their all social media for better result and better knowledge for this project. This is their Twitter, Discord. And here also the rules. And for verification, you need to hit the like button, and you can see now I am a verified member. And they have also Telegram. Okay, they have Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit and Medium profile. So we'll visit now Telegram, because there are many users from Telegram. This is their Telegram channel. This channel created on December 14. And here is the Medium profile. This is Medium profile. Please follow all social media for latest update, and must be if you need to be whitelisted user, must be follow all social media. Okay, and NFT will launch 8th February. I will update on my